Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your orders with Instacart, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your orders with Instacart, start by opening the Instacart app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. From the home screen, navigate to the Your Orders section. Here, you will see a list of your recent orders. Select the order you wish to verify. Take a moment to review the order details displayed. This includes items purchased, quantities, and the total cost. Check the delivery address to ensure it's correct. If you notice any discrepancies, look for the option to edit your order. For confirmation, you can track the status of your delivery. Return to your orders and find the option for tracking. This provides real-time updates on your delivery progress. If you have any questions or issues, contact Instacart support through the app. Follow the prompts to get assistance quickly. Be sure to check your email for any confirmation messages. These emails include details about your order and delivery. Lastly, ensure you monitor your account for any extra charges. Keep all communication regarding your order accessible for reference. This ensures a smooth verification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.